my name is Sarah Jenkins, and this morning in our house we decided to build leprechaun traps. It's something I've been doing for many years in the classroom as an educator, but I haven't really done it at home with my kids, so it was an interesting challenge to figure out what materials we had at home. If you're not a crafter, it could be more difficult to find materials to be able to use them with your kids if you can't go out and go shopping. We did come up with a list of items that we liked, and we enjoyed the challenge of trying to make different types of traps. A couple of things I learned was that books, Legos, and old toys were really great to actually go through and sort, so that was a whole nother thing I could do with my kids. I also like the idea of challenging them to make different types of traps. You'll see in the segments after this that we made one just with Legos. We made a trap using mostly books because we have a lot of books at home. We did another one where we used a paper lunch bag. And then another challenge we used was cardboard boxes. I'd like to see what everyone else can come up with in their house, and maybe we can share what we make with our families.
Okay, when we were looking around the house to make some traps, we found these materials and we made it on this paper, and I'm going to read these materials to you. Materials: cardboard box, markers, tape, paper bags, books, Play-Doh, string, toilet paper, paper towel rolls, and the toys that you need is Lego blocks.
Probably some old shoes that you don't use. Of course, some cardboard. Anything like plastic gold spray would be good to use. And also any type of yarn for the string. You would like it? No. Okay. And also, then you would need to poke a hole in it. In this case, you would need a big hole. And as he's going towards the gold, you got yourself a lucky leprechaun.